Find the sets A and B if the Cartesian product of A and B is given to us. Okay, let us begin. So here we are provided with the Cartesian product of the set A and B. So the Cartesian product of set A and B that has the ordered pairs A, 1. Next we have next ordered pair A, 2 followed by A, 3. Then we have B, 1, B, 2 and ordered pair B, 3. So these are the ordered pairs of the Cartesian product of A and B. Now using this, we need to obtain the set A and set B. Now here we have A, 1. So we'll start with the first ordered pair. So this ordered pair belongs to the set A, the Cartesian product of A and B. Now what does it mean? This simply means if we consider the first element A, so the first element A is belong to the first set A, and then we have the second element 1, which is going to belong to the second set, that is B in our case. Next we have A, 2. So A, 2 belongs to the Cartesian product of the set A and B. So this means that A belongs to A. So that's already specified in the previous ordered pair. And then we have 2 belonging to the set B. Next we have A, 3. A, 3 belongs to the Cartesian product of A and B. This simply means that A belongs to A and B and 3 belongs to the set B. We will next consider the fourth ordered pair B, 1. So B, 1 belongs to the Cartesian product of the set A and B, which implies that the element B belongs to the first set A and 1 belongs to the second set, that is B. Next we have the ordered pair 4, 2. Now this is an element which belongs to the set the Cartesian product of A and B. This means that B belongs to the set A and 2 belongs to the set B. Next we have B, 3 belonging to the set the Cartesian product of A and B. This means that we have B belonging to A and 3 belonging to B. Now clearly if we combine all the results, we observe here that A is an element that belongs to the set A. Next we have the other element B, which also belongs to the set A. There are no other elements that belongs to set B. So when you combine this result, this simply means that we have the set A containing 2 elements A, B. Fine. Next for the set B, we have 3 elements. We have 1 belonging to the set B, we have 2 belonging to the set B, and we have 3 belonging to the set B. This implies that our set B is going to contain 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. So this is how we can obtain the elements of each of the two sets A and B given their Cartesian product.